Hi guys, today I want to make a tripod lamp with this tripod and this two lamp, and I want this light to be able to move on this tripod. Let's go! Now I have two lamps connected to each other, and I can try. Oh, well. Now I can install the lamps on the tripod. Now I can switch on this lamp. Together we made very convenient lamp. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to my channel. It's very important for my art. And goodbye.